asuntoskeittiö Tampereen Linnainlehto.
Yes, today is the 29th of April 2022. We have Piettasenkatu 6 tickets here in Leinola, close to Leinola, one of the suburbs here in Tampere. I'm a fourth speaker from Finland. It's also a workaholic with just 3 floors. And the Stegis has 4 floors. And it was built in late 1999, finished in 2000. I saw the on the last downstairs. So it's late 99, finished 2000.
Yeah.
Turned 20 years old in 2019. December is 1346A and will be inspected next year. 2023. Capacity is 8 versus 600 grams and it deserves 2 rides.
Yeah.
The directional arrows are broken here too. Down is right here.
Oh, yeah.
But up is broken.
Yeah.
And then the other one, both of them are broken.
Yeah. Maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi.
There's the Schindler dog by the door rail.
Yeah.
Please close. Alarm was replaced with, the alarm button was replaced with the connection alarm.
Yeah.
That's it, and thank you very much for watching. And more is clear. We have to get to the building 4 next to this one, because it's still unknown.
That's